And it's Monday once again, mga amici at mga ka-kitchen. Today, we're cooking one of the most loved Filipino food, recognized and popular, even internationally. Partner ng pansit or bihon gisado. Tawag Pinoy ang lumpiang gulay. Filipino spring rolls is a mixture of assorted veggies, usually carrots, green beans, o sa atin ang tawag na ay bagu beans, munggo sprouts, cabbages, and even potatoes. My versions got only two kinds of veggies. I used zucchini, dahil in season during summer here, and of course, carrots, which are always in abundance all year round. Sinahugan ko ito ng boiled chicken at shrimps, at para lalong lumasa ang ating lumpia, I kept the shrimp's head, soaked it in hot water, slightly crush it, and yes, it surely enhances the flavor and taste of our spring rolls. So tara, prepare na natin ang ating mga sangkap. Ang Filipino lumpia wrapper is made of flour, cornstarch, water, and salt. Kaya okay lang na huwag na maglagay ng asin sa pag-stir fry ng ating mga veggies at mga sahog nito, mga michi. Pwede nga din hindi na mag-design, just wrap the fresh veggies directly, provided that pre-cook na nga yung mga sahog. My version needed sauteing dahil isinabaw ko nga yung crushed shrimp's head na ibinabat ko sa hot water. But then afterwards, I drained it para mag-dry yung mga fillings natin bago tayo mag-wrap and roll. you again for watching, mga amici and mga ka-kitchen. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe and please watch out for my next video, Italian zucchini rolls with ricotta cheese. Ciao, ciao!